Hello, boys and girls. So this week is kind of going to be a review. We're not going to have a lot of new letters to learn or a lot of new words. We're going to just be reviewing, and we're going to say some pictures with all of the sounds we should know. Okay, so the first one is tomato. Can you say tomato with me? Tomato. Now I want you to tell me the answer before I tell you the answer. What is the very first sound you hear in tomato? Can you say it? Did you say t? Good job if you did. The first sound in tomato is a t. Okay, so let's do this one. So, moon. Can you say moon with me? Moon. What is the first sound you hear in moon? Go ahead and say it before me. The first sound in moon is a mm. Did you say mm? Good job. Okay, so then we have a pan. Can you say pan with me? Pan. What is the first sound you hear in pan? P. I hope you said p. P. P is the sound, so we're just going to do the sound. You don't need to tell me the letter name. And down here we have an ant. Can you say ant? What is the very first sound you hear in ant? Ah, you're right, it is an ah. Very good. And then we have a map. What is the first sound you hear in map? I hope you said And the last one, pencil. Say it with me. Pencil. What is the first sound in pencil? P. You're right, it's a P. Okay, now all these words down here, you should be able to sound out and read. And if you can't, you need to maybe do some extra work, make some flashcards and learn them, okay? This is how far we should have gone in first grade. So if you don't know what that word is just by looking, that's okay because you can sound it out. The way we sound out a word is we do all the sounds just like our puppet does and we put them together. So let's do all the sounds. S, at. Again. S, at. Sat. That's the word sat. Okay, let's put these sounds together. T, app, t, app, tap. That is the word tap, and we can tap on the table, we can tap on our shoulder. Okay, let's sound this one out. App. Again, make the sounds with me. App. Map. And that is the word map, and we should know how to read that word now. Okay, let's do this one by the fish. Make all the sounds you see. Sap. Again, do it with me. Don't make me do all the work. Sap. Sap. And you remember what sap is? Sap is what comes out of a tree, and you actually put that on your pancakes. Okay, so let's do this one. At. Again, make the sounds with me. At. Pat. You're right, it is pat. And then this last one is am. That is the word am. If you put the sounds together, you are starting to read. Okay, so now over here on this side, I'm going to move it this way just a little bit. I have way too much stuff up here. Everything's going to fall off the end. And we have my review. So these are all the words that you should know how to read, and you should know how to write them. You should know how to spell them. So review words are words to know. We're going to read the words and the sentence, okay? So let's start. I know sometimes there's a little bit of glare. Okay, can you read them with me? What's this first word, everybody? The. And what's that word? You're right, it's we. And what's this word? See. And we know that word, that's one of the easy words, a. And that's the word like. And we see a spider web over here. And we can read almost all these words. When you get to a word that you don't know, I'm going to help you with it, but I think you know most of the words. What's this say? We, and you know that word, right? Can, see, a, and that says spider. Can you say it? Spider, web, and now say it, web. Okay, now let's read it again. You read it with me. Now you know all the words. Ready? We can see a spider web. Let's count the words up in this sentence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words. That's a big, long sentence. Okay, let's see if we can do this one. Ooh, if you don't know that word, let's sound it out. One more time. Sam. That is the word Sam. Sam, and that's the word and you know that word, I like the, and let's sound out this last word. Here's a picture clue. Ant. Ant. That's the word ant. Okay, let's read it again. Sam and I like the ant. Let's count how many words are in that sentence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words are in that sentence. That's a lot of words.